We're now at Ben Nevis. Today we're trying to climb the 1,344 meters above sea level Ben Nevis in Scotland. This is one of the highest mountains in Scotland. Let's check out whether if we can make it all the way up there. We are so high up now. Woo! It's now cold and raining now. It's wet. Woo! The wind is very, very strong now. Wow. Okay, we are probably halfway. Still a long way to go. And that's the summit that we're trying to reach. We did quite a far distance from the other side of the mountain. And then we walked all the way to the path. And now going up to Ben Nevis summit. We forgot our raincoat. It's the worst decision we've made. Look at the fog. The wind is really very strong now. And it's raining very heavily. Wow. The temperature is dropped quite a fair bit now. Okay. We are both drenched wet. Okay. We couldn't make it all the way. It's raining too heavily. And we forgot to bring our raincoat. So we are all drenched wet and it's very windy now. So wearing your proper gear is very important. If not, we would have continued because we are not far away from the peak, as you can see, but definitely high enough. Very high, too bad. Okay, let's go down now. All wet ah! Even my underwear is wet now. Fully wet. Never been so cold and wet.